How to upload pictures to Pinterest. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can upload pictures to Pinterest. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To upload pictures to Pinterest, open up Pinterest and log into your Pinterest account. Tap on the plus icon that you can find from the bottom of the screen. Now, what do you want to post, right? We want to create a pin. So we will select a pin option. Allow the access to your photos or videos. Simply select the photo or whatever pin you want to make and tap the next option. Write in a title. If you want a description, you can add that. If you want to add and link it to a certain option, you could link that. You can pick a board, tag some topics, tag some products, schedule it. If you can go to advanced settings and you can allow the comments or show similar products, and then tap the create button to create a pin. And now if you come to your Pinterest profile over here, you'll be able to see the pins that you've created or what you have posted. And if you want to delete them ever, you can just tap the three dots option to delete the image. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.